marine warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Winthrop Harbor to Calumet Harbor, open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Michigan City out to Mid-Lake until 6 o'clock p.m. At 3:45 p.m., Doppler radar indicated showers and thunderstorms capable of producing strong winds to 40 knots and small hail 8 nautical miles west of Winthrop Harbor, moving southeast at 20 knots. Showers and thunderstorms will be near Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, Illinois around 4:10 p.m. Lake Michigan from Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, Illinois 5 nautical miles offshore to Mid-Lake around 4:20 p.m. Wilmette Harbor to Northerly Island, Illinois around 5 o'clock p.m. Lake Michigan from Wilmette Harbor to Michigan City, Indiana 5 nautical miles offshore to Mid-Lake around 5:10 p.m. Mariners can expect gusty winds, small hail, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rains. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until this storm passes. Frequent lightning is occurring with this storm. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect for northeastern Duck